Hello friends, today my sister and I are going to make homemade slime. The items you need are glue, contact solution, baking soda, and a plate. I am using white glue, so my slime will be white. You can use colored glue for colored slime. Food color and glitter are optional.
Let's get started.
First step, let's pour the entire bottle of glue into the plate. Now I'm going to add the glitter. Now I'm going to add half teaspoon of baking soda. I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoon of contact solution. Now let's mix it together. Add more contact solution if it doesn't get sticky. It's really sticky for us, so we don't have to add more contact solution. Mix it well. We're done mixing our slime really well. This came out to be a perfect slime. And it's also really fun. I hope you make this at home and have fun. Time to play with slime. Bye-bye, friends.